with a big #1 birthday and the apropos bow to go with it. Charlie Joe Beachner. 1 year ago today, huh, Charlie Joe? A happy birthday, kiddo. Absolutely gorgeous picture.
What a cutie there. Kevin Phillips turning 4 years old this year. Kevin is celebrating in Riverton.
Let's go out to Nevada, and that's where Timber Robinson is celebrating her 7th birthday. Looked like we had a little outdoor hiking adventure right there. Happy birthday, Timber.
All right, nice picture there of Timber. EASTYN Jesse is turning 10 years old this year in Frontenac. Well, I think he's getting in some lake time in that picture.
What up, EASTYN? Colton Misner, he is celebrating his 18th birthday, and you want to talk about an apropos photo right there on National Dog Day. Colton with man's best friend in his arms. Colton, have a great day in Chanute.
And we've got BROGI Ray celebrating birthday number 20 this year. I hope it's a great one, BROGI.
Now, eventually we're going to get a little rain. Eventually the grass is going to grow. And so if you need any help, well, this dude right here owns Bill's Mowers and Mow. I do not know what is constituted in the mower, but if you want to find Bill Elmore in Columbus, you can ask him, and also wish Bill a happy 39th birthday.
All right. Happy birthday, Bill.
And more.
Happy birthday to GAIL Hamblin, who's now double nickels, 55 years old for GAIL in Pittsburgh.
Donna Miller, a happy 57th birthday. Miss Donna, she is celebrating today in Chanute.
And in Parsons, Kansas, Pat Hale turns 58 years old. Happy birthday, Pat.
Kay Amex, she begins our Columbus birthday celebrations. We've got a couple more here to pass along. Happy birthday, Miss Kay.
And LaDonna Smith is also celebrating in Columbus, because that's where the party's at.
Leela Grant, she's celebrating in Scammon. Happy birthday to Leela. Alice Musa, happy birthday in Cherokee. We'll keep it in the bus. That's where Barbara Frank has a birthday. Barbara, happy birthday to you. And Karen Norman, she's celebrating a birthday in Frontenac. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this August the 26th. This is where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also find us on the web at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. Once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.